Bendiventures. Today we're at Hilton Lake Las Vegas Resort and Spa in Henderson, Nevada. And this is a really cool room. Let's start at the beginning. We got a closet. We have a little bathroom with a toilet and sink as soon as you walk in. This, I guess, is the little bar area. There's a mini fridge, drawer, provides water and a coffee machine, ice box. Okay, some little lamp situation. Okay, now we're in the main living room area, sitting room. So we've got like a nice little desk, couches, huge TV. Looks like it comes with a Blu-ray player down here. What else did they give us? Some sliding drawers. Nice little throne to sit on. Some nice views from the window, but we'll get to a really cool view in just a second. So follow me this way. We're going into the bedroom. Huge king bed, another giant flat screen TV. Lights aren't turned on. Okay, that's better. I don't know what you call this, like a sitting area. Okay, I haven't figured out where all the light switches are yet. Just trying different things, you know. Just got here. Okay, let's see the bathroom first. We'll say the view for the last. Oh, wait, there's two closets with a set of drawers inside. And looks like a laundry board. Same thing over here. So one for each of us. Okay, this is pretty cool. They got these French doors leading into a giant bathroom with shower, a toilet closet. The double sink, some drawer, the hair dryer, all the little Crabtree and Evelyn thingamajiggies. And then a separate tub from the shower, which is cool. Okay, but here's the piece de resistance. It was quite a trek to get here. We're at the end of the hotel. It probably took 10 minutes to get here from the lobby, but it's well worth it when you have a view like this. We have our own private balcony that leads out to, I don't know, is this Lake Mead? Probably not, but cool nonetheless. And we've got a view of the pool area. I think that's the golf course over there beyond the pool. Looks like there's a small marina over here, and I'm assuming they do like boat tricks. Maybe they jet ski. What do you call that when they get pulled behind on the rope and then they jump that? Like jumping the shark, you know? Yeah. This is so cool. Very happy with this one. And that's it for the tour of the Hilton Lake Las Vegas Resort and Spa in Henderson, Nevada. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time on Bendiventures.